Hello, in this video we'll show you how to add admins on Facebook. Now it's a very easy process. So open your browser, then open Facebook on that browser. Now all you have to do is go to your profile over here, then just simply click on manage. Now over here you will have the option of page access. Click on this option and right over here you will have two options, people with task access and people with Facebook access. So choose the first option and click on add new. Now click on next. Now just simply search the person through email address over here. Now just simply click on the person. And now if you want to give the admin access, just simply enable this option over here and then click on give access. Then enter your password. Then after that, just simply click on confirm and this person should be added as an admin. Now he have been sent the invitation link, so he have to click on the invitation link to join it, and the moment he will join it, he will become an admin. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.